In today's video, I'm going to talk all about your posture, what you need to be able to meditate and be comfortable, and your breath work. So come join me. Hey there, it's Michelle Goodman, and welcome to Get Your Bliss On. Today's video, I'm going to talk all about your posture, what you need to be able to meditate and be comfortable, and your breath work. So let's get started. So a lot of people come to me when they want to know about meditating and they're like, oh, my back hurts or my knees hurt when I'm meditating. And I tell them, listen, comfort is queen. You want to be comfortable while you're meditating because that's the most important thing. If your body's achy, your feet are hurting, your knees are hurting, your neck's hurting, make sure you're comfortable. This is not a torture session and you are meant to be comfortable because the whole point to meditation is not to be worried about how something's ticking in your back or something's hurting on your elbow, but really to quiet the mind for just a few seconds. If it's a couple, that's okay. Only a few seconds actually does make a difference. So make sure you're comfortable. Some people like to sit, some people like to lay down. I don't recommend laying down initially because you can tend to fall asleep. But make sure that you are comfortable. I'm going to show you some poses right now. Okay, so pose number one is you can either sit in a comfortable place. So I have these pillows here, literally move them around, make sure they're comfortable, get them behind your back where you like them. The small of your back is one of the best places. And then place your palms up in your lap with your feet on the floor. You can even lean back, make sure the pillows are comfortable, and see, I'm leaning back. This is probably the easiest one to do. If you can sit up in a chair, a small sofa like I have, or just find your office chair or something like that. So, even a kitchen chair, but just make sure you're comfortable, use pillows when needed. So, okay, the next one is being on the floor, and you wanna sit on the floor. So I'm gonna do it in my chair just for technical purposes, but you get the gist. So you sit cross-legged. This is the Buddha position. Cross-legged with a pillow in your back if possible. If not, sit straight up. I can do this for about 20 minutes tops, and then I start getting a little crick in my back, so I start moving around. Don't feel bad if you need to move around. But again, cross your legs, put your hands in your lap in the receiving position. You can do mudras, but I'm gonna make that another video with how you hold your hands. But at this point, let's just hold our hands open because that says to the universe that you're ready to receive. Okay, so now that we got that settled and you're comfortable in your position, the next thing I want you to work on is your breath. So let's practice now with a little breath work. I use this every time I sit down with my clients. I use 3 breaths. So we're gonna take a deep breath in through our nose, out through our mouth to release. This will just kind of settles you into your body. You don't have to think about this. This is a parasympathetic nerve response in your body. Your body will automatically start to relax. So you inhale deeply and you exhale deeply and inhale deeply. And for 3 seconds. So usually I inhale 1, 2, 3, hold at the top and let go for 3. 1, 2, 3. So let's do one last time together. In, 2, 3. Hold at the top and let go for 3. 1, 2, 3. Feel free to sigh in those beginning breaths because you really want to allow your body to kind of have that physical release from the stress you may have had from your day, or even in the morning. You just need to kind of reset and get yourself gathered. Breathwork is really important to settling the body. Use your breath. I hope this helped you get more excited on how to meditate. Can't wait to see you in the next video. Be sure to subscribe below and don't forget to hit the little bell so that you can get notifications when new videos come out. Hit the link above and I'll give you my free manifestation meditation. All right, have a blessed day. Next video, I'm going to talk all about, what am I going to talk about? See, as I move my mount and everything, this is all crazy, getting all the pillows together.